Ripple has managed to recover from its post-lawsuit crash. However, unlike most other altcoins that have registered new all-time highs this bull season, the price of XRP has failed to retain its gains after a number of steep increments in the past month. The price of XRP had registered a sharp rise earlier in late February, during which it recorded a 15% gain over the past 24 hours and was trading at the 60 cents mark, subsequently rising to a daily high of 63 cents before registering a minor correction. The altcoin's rise is also in contrast to the market, where the majority of the cryptocurrencies registered minor corrections after the nearly 4-day-long bullish rally. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video on Make Money Online. I hope everyone is having an amazing day so far. Today I have a really interesting story for you guys. Will XRP have a stable price when the Ripple lawsuit is over? Well, what do you guys think? Today we'll be looking at the price of XRP and the circumstances surrounding it. As always, don't forget to look through the description section for some useful links. I'm leaving off a special link for our viewers to sign up on Binance and get a lifetime discount of 5% off on trading fees. All you gotta do is sign up via the link in the description. If you're here for the first time and you want to stay up to date with everything to do with XRP and cryptocurrencies in general, don't forget to scroll down and tap that red subscription button. And while you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video and hit that notification bell so you always get updates whenever you post a new video. Like always, XRP has been a unique type of crypto, because although decentralized, it includes both functionalities from centralized applications and decentralized applications as well. Even though XRP is somehow a centralized cryptocurrency, the Ripple protocol offers greater utilities to the banking industry. Hence, if the lawsuit ends with a positive result for the company, then the price probably will increase. The enterprise blockchain service provider Ripple had earlier announced sometime in October last year of a beta offering called Line of Credit. With this new feature, Ripple was set to allow its fintech customers, especially financial institutions, as the service is not available to individuals, to use the XRP digital currency to send cross-border payments. Financial institutions subscribed to the Ripple ecosystem can now complete instant cross-border transfers. The company further added that its line of credit will help lower the cost of capital for firms, and this is awesome. So Ripple is a decentralized blockchain platform that isn't like any of the others, and thus it's not so surprising when unusual things happen within its space. If you do a little bit of research on XRP, you'll find out that only recently, on Wednesday, we got a tweet from @XRPCryptoWolf saying, with a line of credit from Ripple, financial institutions can use XRP to complete instant, low-cost cross-border transfers. Ripple allows institutions to log in a rate at the time of the payment, then repay when it's convenient for them for a small fee. Now, we all know that XRP is a very volatile cryptocurrency. However, we've seen swings in the price of XRP barely a month after the line of credit thing was announced. XRP went from a high of 79 cents to a low of 17 cents, which is a 78% correction to the downside. Eventually, the bulls started to regain confidence, and we saw an upside of over 340%. Of course, this trend was introduced by a pump group that got investors in the XRP community excited, while attracting even new enthusiasts to the bandwagon. And then on the 1st of February, when everybody was supposed to hit the buy button, nothing happened and the price came back down. I know some would agree that loans on a highly volatile digital asset like XRP is a move most people will call reckless. Going further and looking at another tweet here, posted in relation to a statement earlier made by the SEC chairman Gary Gensler back in 2018. Which said, you need a bridge currency to use blockchain technology for central banks to send remittances. It's important to note that this was coming from Gary Gensler right before there was any inclination that he would become the SEC chairman. So what did Gensler say? He said you could use blockchain, but you need a bridge currency in between, and that bridge could be a stable value that's backed by the US dollar or the euro, or it could be a currency like Ripple has as an alternative. Essentially, what Gensler is trying to say is, Ripple's XRP would be the ideal currency for this. We do know that XRP does not have a stable value. We know XRP is not a stable coin, yet Gary Gensler is suggesting that yes, this coin has to be stable. There has to be an intermediary. And then he mentioned Ripple's XRP in the same breath. So what's going on? Well, this brings us back to the question, not is XRP a stable coin, because we know it's not. However, is there a chance that XRP will command that high stable price? Think about it for a second. The optics. If a cryptocurrency is not stable, if it's too volatile, these institutions will likely not want to use it. Gary Gensler also mentioned that before anything else, and this statement was made when he was still at MIT, this bridge currency has to be stable. and he does mention Ripple as an option. Is there something in the pipeline that could cause some sort of stability around XRP? Now, if you keep doing a bit more scouring on the internet, and you did some more research, you might stumble on this post on Reddit from 6 months ago. Does the price of XRP need to be high for efficiency? Now, here's what this user wrote regarding this. I remember reading a tweet about Michael Arrington about transferring $50 million at the cost of 30 cents. But David Schwartz also tweeted that higher prices mean that same-sized payments will move faster. Question: if Michael Arrington was able to transfer $50 million in 3 to 5 seconds at a cost of 30 cents, why does the XRP token price need to be priced even higher? And so, for those of you who don't know the answer to that, first off, David Schwartz happens to be the CTO and one of the founding fathers of the Ripple network. Now, allow me to bring you to an old tweet by David Schwartz back in 2017. He said, if you need $1 million worth of XRP to make payments, the market price will be $1 million. The price of XRP doesn't affect anything. However, higher prices mean that the same-sized payments will move the market less, making them cheaper, so higher is better. There is another tweet where David talks about buying a house with Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin was worth $1 and the house was worth, say, $1 million, you'll need 1 million Bitcoins to buy it. However, if Bitcoin was priced at $100,000, or let's say $10,000, that means you only need to pay 100 Bitcoins to make that payment for a $1 million house, which is just regular mathematics, right? In a nutshell, you'll need less Bitcoin in effect to buy that house, and that's where moving the market is a big deal. And when you don't have that liquidity, this is where you're going to see that volatility. You see the volatility go up and down based on the supply and demand curves. But if you have that liquidity and the price is higher, you're not going to see such high swings as witnessed before. Although there would be swings, these swings will only occur more subtly than obvious. Looking at the chart, we can see that XRP is absolutely ready for massive gains as the current never-ending consolidation is finished successfully, forming a support channel at 45 cents and a resistance at 63 cents. Following the Elliott wave count, what we can see is a rigorous fifth impulse starting in the immediate short term and trending towards the upside. We can also see the 200 weekly moving average on the rise, which is of course a positive sign. In my opinion, the price can make a new uptrend after that. If this happens, we can open a long position. Resistance at 63 cents can be our first target. If Ripple wins the lawsuit, rest assured its price will boom in the coming week due to its newest demand in the market. So be sure to have enough XRP in your wallet this season, as I don't advise anyone to use futures markets for this coin in particular. But as you all know, this is cryptocurrency forecasting, so always keep in mind that these predictions are based off of personal opinion. I'm not an expert trader or a financial advisor. Remember to always do your own research, consult your financial advisor before you buy into any cryptocurrency, and only invest with money that you can afford to lose. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comment section below, and we'll try to get to as many of them as we can. Don't forget, of course, to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, hit the like button, and don't forget to turn on post notifications by tapping on the bell icon. See you next time.
Hollywood car set. That's how it goes. Hollywood car set.